Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add the echo effects to audio in CapCut PC. So in here, you can add your video first into CapCut. So this is the normal audio before I adding the echo effect. And after that, to put the echo effects, you can just click on videos, and here go to the right menu at the top and click on audio and go to the voice changer. And in here you can just find this voice filter, then just find the echo voice filter. So let's just scroll down till you find echo. Which one is it? Okay, this one, echo 2, that means there is this echo 1. Let's find it. Okay, this one, the echo 1. Let's hear it. You can see there are some echo on there. Here you can always the strength of the echo and also the quantity. I'm going to lower it a bit and let's hear it again. Okay, so I like with this, and let's try the second echo. So you can click on the echo too. Oh, I think this one is smoother, but you can see this is a pro voice filter, so you need to subscribe to the CapCut Pro first. So that's basically how you can add echo effects to your videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on it. Thanks. Bye.